Go, girl, go, girl, it's your time. It's your time.
Hey, it's Sarah here, your certified teacher and beauty expert. Welcome to Go Girl Hacks. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe down below, girl, because you're going to want to hear this. Today, we're going to talk about a beautiful, easy, inexpensive skincare routine that will have you glowing and won't break your bank. We need simple. We are women on the go. We're moving around. We're moving and shaking. Maybe you got babies. Maybe you got husband. Maybe you have school. Maybe you have books and cramming and all that. But you still want to look good, right? You want to look good, girl. Me being a makeup artist for over 8 years, encouraging, teaching, and just an enthusiast for like 20 years. And being in the beauty industry for 20 years. You learn a thing or two, and I want to share it with you. Before we jump all into this, you want to know what type of skin you have. Is your skin dry? Okay, that means it's flaking in areas and patchy. Is it acne prone, which means you have a lot of volatile acne that's happening? Is it normal? Or is it combination? And so combination is when your cheeks are like dry, but you get oily in your T-zone, okay? Is it any of those? So you want to first figure out what you have. And then this first step, you want to make sure you choose a cleanser that is geared toward what you have. Cleansing, I suggest that you do something gentle. Gentle is always great. You can't go wrong with doing something gentle. There's some options. I like to give you some options. And in the subscription, you'll have a link to all the things that I just suggest, okay? And so you want to cleanse the first time. That'll get the makeup off, the yuck of the day. Then you want to rinse that off, wash your face, rinse, and then repeat, kind of like when you wash your hair. So then you're going to wash your face again, rinse, and dry it off. Here is something big that really helped me. Pro tip. Don't wash your face with the wash towel. If you're using a device, make sure that your device is very, very clean, very sterile. Use antibiotic soap, alcohol to cleanse it off. Make sure that you're keeping everything super sterile. Don't wash your face with the face towel. It will break you out. Like, seriously. Wash your hands with antibacterial soap, then touch your face and dry your face either by air drying it or using a paper towel. Now, I know the girlies who are environmentalists are going to get me, but let me tell you something. That was a game changer for me. Using a paper towel to dry my face off kept me from getting styes on my eyes, if you have sensitive eyes, and just lessen all the acne, okay? So that's a big deal. So that's a pro tip. Your next step is you want to exfoliate. So if for all of my acne prone girls, you want to be careful here. If you have open acne, you kind of want to avoid this. You want to calm your skin down before you get into this, but it is exfoliation. We've got to get that dead skin off your face. It is just in the way. It's stopping your skin from receiving the treatment and the serums and all the good stuff that you need. So we've got to slough off that dead skin. You'll get rid of texture. You'll get rid of like little bumps that you see. Exfoliation is so powerful. It's a game changer. It's a huge deal. One of the ones that is super inexpensive that I really like is The Ordinary. It's really great. Really like the lactic acid. They have several different acids, but especially for my ladies that have hyperpigmentation, my girlies that are looking to make their skin even. Okay, pause. So for you, like, what is hyperpigmentation? Hyperpigmentation is where your skin gets more pigment because it's been injured. So they send these signals in these cells to repair, and then it turns it to a darker color than the rest of your face, which makes it uneven, which we don't really like. A lot of time you'll see some people are naturally have hyperpigmentation around their mouth, or under their eyes, around their nose, sometimes on the cheek. It comes from hormonal issues. So one way to get rid of that is to slough off that dead skin. And ladies, girls, the older we get, the more we need to exfoliate. When you're a baby, your cells are turning over really fast. When you're young, you don't really even have to exfoliate that much. But as we age, we do have to increase our exfoliation. So huge step. That is a game changer. If you are not exfoliating, you need to start. Now, again, you're only going to exfoliate 2 times a week. Really at most. We really don't need to be doing more than 3. You don't want to overwhelm your skin. So 1 to 2 times to start out is great. Next step is to treat the skin. We want to be using something to treat the skin, something that is going to go in and penetrate those barriers of skin and start to address our problems, which may be hyperpigmentation or making the skin even, all of that. So something, and wrinkles, crow's feet, aging, fine lines, something that's very, very, very effective that I really like, that's great for beginners, someone who's just getting into this. We can go deeper, but this is for step 1. This is for my people who are just like, girl, I just don't know where to start. Is vitamin C. I love vitamin C. It's super effective. I never have, breakouts with vitamin C. I haven't had where I have a lot of reaction, unlike some other serums like Retin-A's and all of that. Vitamin C is great for beginners. So a brand that I really have been loving their vitamin C for the past year plus. I have been personally using this for over a year. Okay, I'm not just throwing something on you. It's by Good Molecules. It is in the green bottle. It's right here. And I really, really enjoy it. They even have a new vitamin C that is come out with a combination of brightening and lightening agents that really make the skin even. So I really, really have been enjoying that. For over a year, I've been using it. And listen, that price point, though, it is not going to break your bank. It is not going to hurt your pockets. And you can still look good and not break the bank. And don't forget, you can get it at Ulta. And don't forget to use your coupon. When you spend $15 or more, you get $3.50 off, or 20%. They're always using coupons. So you for sure can get this product at Ulta. Also, you can get the Ordinary at Ulta and use those coupons, okay? And use your points. If you have an Ulta membership, you can use the points as well. The next step is huge as well. You want to use something that is going to be light and not have too many ingredients in it, but that are more natural and more less chemicals. And I really like Good Molecules, their moisturizer. Well, it's a light moisturizer. I really have been enjoying it. I've probably been using that for about 2 years. It's super inexpensive, super effective, doesn't break me out. I've had such a good feedback from that product. I suggest it to my clients if they want something good that's not gonna hurt their pockets. So love that. Although it is winter, I tend to go in with maybe some oils or something thicker. Natrium has an excellent Chef's Kiss moisturizer. It's in the black container. I really, really, really enjoy that one. It's thicker for my drier girlies, and it's thicker for if you're in the winter time and your house is really dry. But don't be afraid to turn that humidifier on. It's great for your breathing. It's great for hair, skin. Don't be afraid to throw that on because that helps out too. So lastly, you want to have some SPF. That is to protect you from the sun. So that's important. There's a bunch of SPF that you can use. I suggest to use something, a mineral SPF, because they're finding that the other SPFs are going into bloodstream. Now here's the thing, because they're chemical. here's the thing. It's not easy to find a mineral SPF that doesn't, some people are sensitive to it, that doesn't cause breakouts, that doesn't turn you white. So I am personally even still on the hunt. I found some great ones, and then for some reason, the ones I like, they decide they don't want to make anymore. Like, that's a theme going here. So I will do my best to give you some options. But that is it, girls. I'm so excited to share with you. I get asked this all the time. What do you use on your skin? Is it expensive? What do you suggest? What would you suggest for someone starting out? And this is it. Like, literally 4 steps, 5 steps in the daytime. 4 steps usually, because you don't exfoliate every day. So super simple, super easy. But you get some great feedback. If you have questions, comment below. I'm so happy to help you. I'm so happy to share. If you want me to do a demonstration, let me know down below, and then click the link to get my list. So I will see you next time, and tell me what you want to see next. So I have some stuff in mind, and I'm going to share it, but I love feedback. I'm so excited to meet you, and we'll talk. Gotta go.